Hey baddies, welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're not new, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Nail Addict. Now if you want to see me go from this set to this beautiful masterpiece, then keep on watching. Now, as I mentioned before, today's video is sponsored by Nail Addict Delay. Now, this company sent me over 5 gel polishes for me to try and review with you guys. Here's a close-up of it. Now, before we do anything, I'm just going to take out swatch sticks to apply the gel polish on. Now, this first color you guys will see me apply is called Electric Rose. When I tell y'all this is the perfect shade of pink, like, it's literally the perfect shade of pink. My favorite color is pink, y'all already know that. Well, those of you who don't know, my favorite color is pink. I absolutely love this shade. And just look how pigmented it is. Like, I didn't even put on the second coat. This is only the first coat. And just look how pigmented the color is. Now, this next color I'm getting ready to swatch is called Just a Flirt, and I absolutely adore this yellow. It's so beautiful. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm also showing you guys a consistency check to show you guys a close-up not only of the color, but just how smooth the consistency is. Now I'm just going to be doing the same thing with the rest of the 3 colors that were sent to me, so just keep on watching.
But I'm a jealous, the city is my palace. What I'ma do is I want me and she, and they love them some me. I ain't the nigga they gon' say bye to. I ain't the nigga you gotta lie to. I ain't the nigga that you could trust on speaker when you're with your people. Cause you know the timing I'm on. I want me and she, and they love them some me. I can't even speak to all of them, so I call her on the FaceTime. She gon' pick up on the first ring. We got her at the rubber damn thing. You never tell us so, oh no. Girl, we grown. I feel like girl, make it bounce. 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 Girl, make it bounce.
Now in this next clip, y'all just gonna see me apply a second coat to all the gel polishes. Now, I necessarily didn't have to apply a second coat to most of the polishes because of how pigmented they were, but I know some people usually just do a second coat, so I just did it anyways. But I would say for like the yellow and the red, I kind of did have to go in with the second coat because of how, I don't know what to call it, but it just needed a second coat is what I'm trying to say. Okay, I got it now. What I was trying to say was that the color wasn't as defined as it should be. The color should match well with the shade that's on the cap of the bottle, and it didn't match that, so I knew I had to go back in and apply a second coat. Y'all literally cannot tell me that these colors are not to die for. Like, look at how pretty these colors are. Like, oh my god, I still can't get over it. Now, because this isn't all set, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the top coat for my nails.
Damn, you hit the spot, taste like candy, sweet like fruit, taste like candy, sweet like fruit, taste like candy, sweet like fruit, taste like candy.
Fuck it up.
Wet like water, damn, you hit the spot, taste like candy, damn, you hit the spot, wet like water, damn, you hit the spot, taste like candy, sweet, wet like water, wet like,
arch your back,
wet like water, taste like candy, sweet like fruit, wet like water, wet like water, wet like water. Damn, you hit the split like water, split like water, split like water, split like damn, you got split like I'm sitting here split like I'm sitting here split like name Keisha, like, do you love me? Do you love me not? Love me, love me not? Love me, love me not? Love me, do you love me not? Love me, love me not? Love me, do you love me not? Love me, do you love me not? Damn, you hit the spot. Stop, pop back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, stop, pop back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, stop, pop back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, stop, pop back, go back. Next one, I be running.
Yo, Smalls, turn up on him, bruh.
Shitted on him. Man, I just shitted on him. Shitted on him. Put your number twos in the air if you did it on him. Man, I just shitted. All these bitches is my son. 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 Man, I just shitted. Try to touch me. I just on him. Just shitted. Try to touch me. Ew. Just shitted. Try to touch me. I just on him. Just shitted. Let me take it all. Lids on him. If I had it, I would pull it out and 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 pull it out.
Next time I'm going to be going in with one of my old hand files. I'm not going to use a new one just because, honey, I'm not trying to waste it. So I'm just going in with an old hand file, just prepping my base so that I can go in with my nail art.
Bitches begging me to up one. Bitches begging me to up one. Bitches begging me to up one. Formulas begging me to up one. Formulas begging me to up one. Formulas begging me to up one.
Now I kind of had to draw this flame over camera because I needed to look at the picture to kind of see how I wanted the flame to be. So I'm sorry that you guys didn't get to actually see me draw it.
Lids on him. Lids on him. Lids on him. Lids on him. Lids on him.
And if you guys are wondering, yes, I draw all my hand-drawn designs with a pencil before anything. And you don't really want to make, when you're outlining any type of drawing, you don't want to really make it dark. The only reason why I'm making this flame dark is because I'm going to outline it with black later on. But yes, I definitely will recommend doing all of your drawings with a pencil. It just makes it so much easier. I know some people have different methods. I'm not telling you to do it this way, but this is just what works for me personally. And this is actually the first time I did this. I normally don't hand draw my smile lines, but I'm so glad I did it in this video, or for the purpose of this set, because it just came out so much better than when I just freehand it.
Girl, you just like me. I know that you nasty. I know that you let your head down and you saw that to me. I'ma drop that on. I'ma drop that on. I'ma drop that on. Switch up the tempo. Can I set the tempo? Drop that, drop that, drop that, drop that, drop that. I'ma drop that on. I wanna switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? I'ma drop that on. Can I switch up the tempo? Switch up the tempo. Drop that, drop that, drop that. Let me know what's up. I'ma drop that on. Switch up the tempo. Can I? I'ma drop that on. I'ma drop that on.
And by the way, when you guys see me stick my hand inside the lamp, I usually cure it for about 60 seconds and then go on with my second coat or a different color. I know y'all probably tired of hearing my voice because I'm tired of hearing my own voice. So I'm just gonna let the music play, and everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. And if it's not, I'll just add some text for you guys to see. And do not mind my ashy hands. I know y'all see it. Don't say nothing about it. It was a rough time, okay? I don't think this video was as detailed as I wanted it to be, but if you guys want more detailed tutorials on anything I've shown you, whether it's shaping, application, anything, just feel free to let me know. Leave a like or comment down below so I know that you guys are actually enjoying this content. I am so happy with the way this turned out. Thank you again, Nail Addict, for sending over these gel polishes, and as always, they have a little treat for you guys. Time to show you guys the final product.
She came with her nigga, but she gon' slide right to my side. I know she pulled up with